Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm out here with my favorite farm implements, and I have the 35mm zero images pinhole camera. I know I've talked about in some other videos that I've had some problems with it, and from what I understand it might be the film that I'm loading in it. I am using some rewound film, so I'm also using two rewound canisters. So that's probably where my problem lies. So I have some of that loaded in it today again. So I'm going to get the shots that I can with it, and then I will load some factory film in it next time around and see how it does. But anyway, we're out here with the 35 and get some shots, and so let's get to it. I've already put the camera into the Pinhole Assist app, so we're all ready to go here. See what we got. For this shot, 43 seconds. Select the timer. It's winding down here on this beautiful cloudy day. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, at 43-second exposure's up. We're going to do a 2 minute and 12 seconds on this one. We'll go over to the old truck here after this shot. When I was winding that film from after that first shot, it wasn't winding real smoothly, so I might have some issues here real early. So we might not get too many shots with this 35. But next time out, we'll have probably some Arista 100 in it. Probably 36 exposure, so we'll have a lot of shots to take. I still have to figure out what to use for a pickup reel on the first time using it. What I'm going to do is when I get done with the Arista film, I will cut it where it still has a leader about 2 or 3 inches outside the canister, and then I'll use that for my pickup reel, and I'll be good to go from there. But so I don't know what I'm going to use, whether I'm going to use a rewind plastic canister and take a chance or what. I don't know. We'll decide that when it's time to load up the film. Okay, this is winding down here, and we'll move over to the truck. Tractor's got the keys in it. It's got a flat tire back here, so I don't think it's going too far. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. So wind down with that one. Film's moving and advancing. Hopefully it's doing okay. Move over here to the truck. Wet grass here. see what kind of exposure we get from here. We're going to do 1 minute and 3 seconds. How's that sound? Get started here. Winding down. I'd like to have that old truck for an everyday driver. Probably not too good a gas mileage, but the frame's in great shape. Okay, we're winding down here to under 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, the film's advancing, it seems. Hopefully it is inside the camera okay. We're going to get up here and get this wonderful Dodge Ram emblem up here. And we'll get that Dodge. We should get that broken headlight in there real nice. Maybe bring it down here. I think we're looking good there. Okay, we're going to do about 10 seconds on this thing. I want to like this shot. I hope it turns out. Be a nice shot. Okay. We're going to take a picture inside. No seats or anything. I'm not so sure the wind's going to cooperate. Letting us hold that door open. Okay, we're going to do about a 3-minute shot on this. Be interesting to see how this turns out, because it's pretty dark in there. And 3 minutes may not be enough. Let's get started. Yeah, the frame is in wonderful condition. I'll bring you over to show you the inside. So that's the inside of it. Closing in on 1.5 minutes. And as soon as I learn to shoot pictures with this 35 a little bit better, I am going to do some color film rolls through it. So we'll see how that does. Probably towards the fall, when we get into fall colors and stuff. I think that would be the ideal time to give the colored film a try. So I hope you're learning something shooting this 35mm 0 images pinhole camera, and not just what not to do. I hope you're learning something that benefits you in what to do and maybe help your pinhole photography, hopefully. We're winding down here to about 20 seconds. Then we'll move maybe to another spot on the truck. I'm not going to take too many pictures here. I've already taken some with the RSS medium format pinhole in another video, so I don't want to overshoot my vintage farm implements here. Okay. Let's see here. Where are we going next? We'll get this Motor Truck Distributors mud flap. So we'll take this 6th one here because I want to get this mud flap in. Okay, we're going to do about 1 minute 14 seconds. So this will be it for today out here with the farm implements and the Zero Images 135mm camera. And so I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you would, hit that subscribe button down there in the lower right hand corner. And also, if you could ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hopefully we have some that you'll really like and enjoy. And also, hey, YouTube likes it when you give them a thumbs up. Really boosts our videos. So hey, until next time, grab that camera, some film, and get out and take some pictures. Till next time.